Hi everyone! It's me again, Teacher Clarice, and today we are going to talk about the causes and effects of drug addiction. Drug addiction is not a hallmark of moral failure or lack of willpower. It's a complex disease that deserves long-term, extensive treatment just like any other chronic condition. People who have not struggled with substance abuse may find it difficult to understand why anyone would start using. There are, in fact, many reasons why some people turn to or start abusing drugs, and unfortunately, the consequences can be life-shattering. Why some become addicted? Not everyone who experiments with drugs becomes an addict. There's no single factor that can predict whether someone will become addicted. Though, there are general, social, biological, and environmental factors that do increase the risk. Biology. Genes in combination with environmental factors account for about a half of a person's addiction vulnerability. Being male, African American, or having a mental illness can also increase a person's risk of progressing to addiction. Environment. Family, friends, and socioeconomic status have a significant impact on a person's likelihood of developing an addiction. Physical and sexual abuse, peer pressure, stress, and parental guidance can greatly affect the occurrence of substance abuse. Development. Although a person can become an addict at any age, the earlier substance use begins, the more likely it will escalate to serious addiction. The effects of drug addiction. The sad truth is that more deaths, illnesses, and disabilities are caused by substance abuse than by any other preventable health condition. Prolonged drug dependence interferes with just about every organ in the human body. And while different drugs have different damaging effects, there are some of the common conditions substance abuse can cause. First, damaged immune system, which increases susceptibility to infection. Second, cardiovascular conditions, including heart attacks and collapsed veins. Third, nausea, vomiting, and abdominal pain. Fourth, liver overexertion or liver failure. Fifth, seizures and strokes. And lastly, widespread brain damage that can interfere with memory, attention, and decision-making, as well as permanent brain damage. Some of the worst effects of substance abuse aren't even health-related. Drug abuse can have a number of damaging consequences on an addict's social and emotional well-being, including: first, loss of employment. Second, relationship loss. Third, incarceration. Fourth, financial trouble. Fifth, homelessness. And lastly, risky sexual behavior. Many problems can be reversed or minimized by getting sober, but there are maybe some health and emotional issues that simply won't heal with time. The best way to prevent permanent damage is to seek professional drug addiction treatment ASAP to overcome the addiction. Once again, this is Teacher Clarice. Thank you for listening.